Hey there, students. Today I'm diving into some essential laundry hacks that will save you time, effort, and even some money. Let's get started. First up, clothing labels. You've probably noticed those little symbols on your clothes and wondered what they mean. These symbols are basically a cheat sheet for how to properly care for your clothes. For example, a triangle means you can bleach the fabric, while a triangle with an X through it means no bleach. A circle often represents drying instructions, like tumble drying. Getting to know these symbols can seriously extend the life of your clothes. Next, let's talk about separating your laundry. Always separate whites from colors to prevent any bleeding. Trust me, you don't want your favorite white shirt turning pink because it got washed with a red sock. Also, consider separating heavy fabrics from lighter ones to avoid damage. When it comes to stain removal, the right tools are key. Use a soft bristle brush and a good quality detergent designed for stain removal. Gently scrub the stain before washing. For tough stains, let the detergent sit for a few minutes before you start scrubbing. Now, turning clothes inside out. This might seem like a small step, but it can make a big difference. Turning your clothes inside out before drying can protect them from dust and reduce fading caused by the sun. Plus, it helps keep the outer fabric looking fresh and new. Finally, let's make ironing easier. Always use the correct temperature setting on your iron for the fabric you're working with. For extra stubborn wrinkles, a light mist of water can work wonders. This helps the iron glide more smoothly and removes creases more effectively. So, there you have it, some quick and easy laundry hacks to keep your clothes looking their best. Remember to always check those labels, separate your laundry, use the right tools for stains, turn your clothes inside out, and make ironing easier with a mist of water. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy washing.